Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to allow download unwanted blocking app in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To allow download unwanted app in Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left hand, click on App and Browser Control. Here you will find Reputation Based Protection. Click on Reputation Based Protection Settings. Now scroll down. Here under Potentially Unwanted App Blocking, you will find here Block Download. Just deselect Block Download. Now, unwanted third-party app download is allowed in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.